Hi guys, welcome to WebSensePro. Welcome to another Elementor video and a feature release video. So Elementor released Off Canva feature, which is something similar to pop-up, I would say. Not actually a pop-up, and they are calling it off canvas. But when you try to implement it, there is a problem with that. Yes, in this video, we'll show you why it's not suitable for your WordPress Elementor website and what are the issues which Elementor still need to fix on that. So if you're trying out that feature, watch this video where you will learn how you can add that and why you should not add it because it's not gonna work yet. If it gets fixed, we'll keep creating the video on the updated version. So make sure to subscribe our channel if you want to learn more about Elementor and WordPress. So without further ado, let's get into the screen.
Hi guys, welcome back to WebSensePro. I'm your co-host Nidashik with another tutorial on Elementor. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can use this Off Canva widget in your WordPress website. Yes, we have a new feature release in Elementor, which is the Elementor 3.22 beta, and the best thing which this feature has is the Off Canva widget, which I'll be discussing in this video. First of all, what you need to do is you need to update to this new version, which I have successfully updated, and then go to Elementor and click on the settings from your left side. Go to features, scroll down and make sure your nested elements is activated. If it's deactivated, you need to activate it first so that you can use this Off Canva widget. Okay, I'll click pages here and we'll go click a new page. Okay guys, so I have added a new page here. Now when you click on the left side search widget option, when you select the off canvas widget, you will find this. Once you are updated, you will get this widget as well. What you need to do is you need to drag it here on the screen like this. Okay, let me open navigator here so that I can show you guys. We have one container here and off canvas and another container in this off canva widget. Okay, so this is what we get with the off canvas widget. Now quickly I'll add a heading widget here. Okay, and let's add some text. Okay, and I want a menu here. Okay, let's drag a WordPress menu here. Okay, I'll quickly change its layout to vertical. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, if you want to change this, you can do it. If you want the animation, you have many options which you can use, but here we need to see what off canva widget has for us. So we'll go for off canva widget here. If you want to switch off the editing mode, you can do that. Okay, and if you want its position to be on the center like this, it will appear like this, or if you want it to be on the start, you can do that. Okay, so you have multiple options in this off canva widget. You can also set the vertical position as well, but for that you need to change the width as well. See, if I change it width to 500, okay, let's change it to percentage. Okay, and you can change the custom height as well. So see, if you want this much height, you can make it to the center like this or to the end, so it will be working. But I guess we are okay with what the 100 height is. Okay, so what else we can do is we have height fit to content as well. We have the settings here as well. If you want it to fade in from left, okay, and exit fade out from left, you can choose any type of animation you want. Okay, and we have other options as well, so you guys can choose that option as well. Okay, now we have to go back to layouts and we'll click the editing mode like so that we can work here on the screen. Okay, now I'll make a very simple dummy page here. Let's make it and come back. Okay guys, so now you guys can see that I've added a dummy page here. What I'll do is I'll choose this heading here. Okay, I'll go to content and here you guys can see link. Okay, so now you guys can see that I have added a dummy page here. What I'll do is I'll select this heading here, which is already selected. Here you guys can see on the left side there is an option named as link. We need to open the dynamic tags here. Previously we don't have this new option named as off canvas. We use the pop-up menu widget, but now we have this off canvas, so we'll select this off canvas here. Okay, and make sure your off canvas is open off camera and select a widget off canva 1. Okay guys, now when I click on our heading, see, it's working. Let me show you guys. Okay, so this is how it looks. You guys can see when you click this heading widget, it opens like a pop-up menu. What I want is to add a button here so that I can close it as well. So for closing, let's add a button here. Okay, so I just need an icon. I don't need text, so let's remove the text here and let's add an icon here. Okay, so I'm selecting this times icon. You guys can also select it if you want. Okay, let's change its color first. Go to style, and I just want, okay, needs to be okay. Now let's align it to right and let's change its size a bit more. Okay, let's see what size suits. Okay, let's make it 28. Okay, this looks good. I'll go to content here for the edit button, and I'll add a, okay, let's choose the dynamic tag here, and here you guys will also see an off canvas option which you guys can open it. When you click this open app off canvas, you can select close off canvas and you can select the off canvas one. Okay, so with the help of this, what you can do is you can close it. Okay, so this is perfect, but there is a bug. There is an error which Elementor needs to fix. What that error is, when I click update here and when it's live on the website, it's not working as expected. When I click here, this is where it appears, but see, things are working properly, but it's not on the correct position. So this is a bug which needs to be fixed. Here, when I open it, it's working properly. Let me reload it first. Okay, let me show you guys again. Okay, so when I reload it, let me close navigator here. When I reload it and click here, see, it's working properly. And our button is also working. Okay, so this is something which needs to be fixed, but it's not working on the preview. It's coming here down. So this is an error which needs to be fixed by the Elementor. Rest, it's good. It's a good option, but there's a major bug which needs to be fixed. I hope you like my tutorial. If you want more such videos, please don't forget to comment below, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.